Dear student, we have to solve some problem based on the relation. Question is, the relation R on N is defined as R is equal to x comma y such that y is equal to x plus 5, where x is less than 4 and x is the natural number. Is relation R reflexive, symmetric and transitive? Solution: if x is equal to 1, then put x is equal to 1 in y is equal to x plus 5, then y is equal to 1 plus 5, y is equal to 6. If x is equal to 2, then y is equal to 7, and if x is equal to 3, then y is equal to 8. Here r is equal to 1 comma 6, 2 comma 7 and 3 comma 8. First, reflexive. Since 1 belongs to N but 1 comma 1 does not belongs to R, therefore R is not reflexive. Symmetric. 1 comma 6 belongs to R but 6 comma 1 does not belongs to R, therefore R is not symmetric. Transitive. Since R is equal to 1 comma 6, 2 comma 7, 3 comma 8. Here 1 comma 6 belongs to R but any other ordered pair does not start 6 as the first element. And similar for 2 comma 7 and 3 comma 8. Therefore that relation is a transitive relation. अगर कोई ऐसा रिलेशन जिसमें ए कामा बी हो और बी कामा सी न हो, तो वहाँ हमको ए कामा सी ढूंढने की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ती है और ऐसे सारे रिलेशन ट्रांजिटिव रिलेशन कहलाते हैं. सेकेंड क्वेश्चन, द रिलेशन आर ऑन द रियल नंबर इज डिफाइंड एज R is equal to a comma b such that a is less than or equal to b cube. Check that R is reflexive, symmetric and transitive. Reflexive. For every a belongs to real number. Since any real number does not less than or equal to itself cube, it means a does not less than or equal to a cube. Therefore a comma a does not belongs to relation. Therefore R is not reflexive. Example, 1 by 3 belongs to R but 1 by 3 does not less than or equal to 1 by 3 cube. Therefore 1 by 3 comma 1 by 3 does not belongs to R. Therefore R is not reflexive. Symmetric. A comma b belongs to R. This implies that A is less than or equal to b cube, but b is not less than or equal to a cube. It means b comma a does not belongs to R. Example, minus 2 comma 3 belongs to R. It means minus 2 is always less than or equal to 3 cube, but 3 does not less than or equal to minus 2 cube. Therefore 3 comma minus 2 does not belongs to R. If minus 2 comma 3 belongs to R, therefore that relation is not symmetric. R is not symmetric. Transitive. A comma b belongs to R and b comma c belongs to R. It means A is always less than or equal to b cube and b is always less than or equal to c cube. This implies that A is not less than or equal to c cube. अगर कोई भी रिलेशन रिफ्लेक्सिव, सिमेट्रिक या ट्रांजिटिव होता है तो वहाँ हमको एग्जाम्पल दिखाने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, लेकिन अगर वह रिलेशन रिफ्लेक्सिव, सिमेट्रिक या ट्रांजिटिव नहीं होता है तो वहाँ हमको एग्जाम्पल दिखाना पड़ता है. जैसा कि ऊपर दोनों केस में हुआ है और तीसरे केस में देखिए, a comma c does not belongs to R. It means R is not transitive. By example, 3 comma 3 by 2 belongs to R and 3 by 2 comma 4 by 3 also belongs to R. Here 3 is less than or equal to 3 by 2 cube and 3/2 cube is less than or equal to 4/3. 3/2 is less than or equal to 4/3 cube, but 3 is not less than or equal to 4/3 cube. It means 3, 4/3 does not belongs to R. Therefore, that relation is not transitive.